What better way to start out 2021 than organizing? I'm starting with my fridge and showing you how to do it. First, I'm starting by removing everything. Then I take inventory of what I have, get rid of expired foods, then wipe down those shelves to make sure it's rid of all of the gunk. I had a helper today. And then I go in and start organizing and setting up how I want it to look. My fridge doesn't have much storage, so I'm stacking shoe containers for my meats and cheeses, and these glass bottles are from IKEA for my filtered water. Another tip to staying healthy in the new year is prepping your fruits and veggies. I store mine in these glass containers from IKEA. They're not only aesthetically pleasing, but easy to grab when you're hungry. I'm really happy with how this space turned out. It's not only functional for our little family of 3, but it is really pretty to look at. And I did add labels from the container store to bring it all together. If you want to see the full fridge organization video, you can definitely check out my YouTube channel. It's linked in my bio, and don't forget to like for more.
Every week I get a bunch of fresh produce, then I wash it really well before putting it away so it's all ready to eat. The containers I use have layers so the extra water drains out and the produce won't go bad. With lettuce specifically, I also dry it in a salad spinner before adding it to a container to make it stay fresh longer. I'm really into red and green leaf lettuce right now. I probably go through like 20 limes and lemons each week because I use them on literally everything. They add so much healthy flavor. Since portobellos aren't a grab and go snack, I don't find it necessary to wash them. I just remove the stem and wash when I'm ready to cook. I also love to add my plant milk to these super cute glass milk cartons because it just looks really nice and aesthetic in the fridge, which weirdly makes me happy.
Time to get organized in the fridge. I got these clear containers. I started by washing them. Then I got my kids' favorite fruits and vegetables. I washed them and put them in the clear containers. Here they are in the refrigerator, clean and accessible for them to enjoy.
Okay, so now you do the first layers kind of like your base layer. And we are going to make a really pretty design. It's so simple, but yet people find this fascinating when they come into my house, and they also think that I am a sociopath, that I take the time to do this once a month. But you know what? You say OCD is a disease, I say it's a blessing. And people always ask, do I replace them every time someone eats one? No, I'm not crazy. I'm just organized every 30 days. I actually get excited when they start to diminish because that means people like them. So you just keep stacking until
A lot of us can relate to our fridges looking like this. We can't find anything and we don't know where anything is. And that's because most fridges don't come with the proper functionality and storage that is required to keep your fridge in shape. Empty everything out, put things into compartments and categories so you know what is going to go back in the fridge. You're then going to need some bins, and I love these plastic eye design. Here's another great option from the Dollar Tree at just $1.25. They're not very deep, but if you put two in front of the other, they are fantastic. Load up your fridge with where you think everything's going to go, and don't forget to label. Lazy Susans are always fantastic for the fridge. Now your fridge has so much function and looks absolutely beautiful. I just love how this turned out.